Hey everybody, how's it going? I am back again with one more video. I've got a Mosaic 2020 football hanger box with one silver or Mosaic per box on average. So we'll see how we do on the Mosaic football hanger box here. I did the blaster a couple videos back and not too bad. Cool looking cards, just like the basketball, and pretty collectible right now. Pretty popular item, I would say. Oh, we got a nice little package here. Oh, that's cool. That's different. Now, to get this open, do that. We'll do both of them. See how they're going to come out of here. Yeah, that's what I was worried about. Try this side. There we go. There we go. Well, they really packaged these ones good. Must not have wanted anything to happen to them, so that's good. That's I'll give them a thumbs up for that on the packaging. We got a McCourty, McLaurin, Sam Darnold, Mike Williams, Terry Bradshaw, Ed Reed, Herman Moore, DJ Moore, Amari Cooper, Howie Long Green, Prism, Julius Peppers. Is this a red, or what was this? Sorry. Not sure if that's a red. Pretty nice. Prism. McFarlane, rookie. Darren Waller, Jordy Nelson. Got Game, Juju Smith-Schuster. Kelly Mack, Will to Win, insert. Tom Brady MVPs. Nice card. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Joe Burrow, NFL debut rookie, and a CeeDee Lamb rookie. Wow, what a way to end it. What a way to end it. I'll take those all day long. That was not a bad little box. Not a bad little box. Not complaining. No complaints here. I'll take that. Go ahead and put him up. Joe Burrow. Joe Burrow. It's the debut, but still, it's a Burrow. It's a Burrow. Go ahead and put him up. We'll put CeeDee Lamb in 1, 2 while we're on. Just did a break of this, well, partial break of Mosaic, and Chronicles, and might do another one coming up here soon. Hit the subscribe button, hit the links below to find the group page on Facebook if you want to join in on the breaks, because there is definitely more getting posted soon, so hope to see some new faces in there. I appreciate you guys watching. Whoa, knocked over Burrow. I really appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hope you keep coming back, checking out the next ones. Have a good one, everyone. Peace out. We'll see you.